So if you created private server on Roblox, now you want to delete them, this tutorial review will guide you how to delete Roblox private server. So open Roblox and click on this menu icon and select inventory. Scroll down here and click on private servers and select my private servers. And here you will get the list of your created private servers. Now click on the server you want to delete. And here, so I'm going to delete this server. So I'm going to clicking on three dot, configure. And note one thing, in Roblox, here is no direct option to delete any server. So all you have to do is just disable this option. Disabling this makes the private server inaccessible for you and other users that you have invited to this private server. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.